Hey everyone, welcome to the Body House. Come in, stay a while. Now, today, y'all, we are going to go through my go-to stretch routine. Now, this is some basic stretching and also some yoga moves that I have learned over the years. Stretching has a wide variety of benefits, from physical, emotional, and even mental benefits. Better sleep, posture, flexibility, and even boosted immunity. So, stretching is very important to incorporate with whatever workout routine that you have, at least a few times a week. Okay, so I'm going to go through with you in this video about some of the excellent benefits that stretching actually has. And I want you to follow along if possible. Set you a nice ambiance. I love candles with some soft music, and just relax and get your stretch on. You are going to thank me by the end of this video. And it's okay if you're not able to perfectly go through any of the moves. I'm not, that perfect in some of the moves as well, but we need to at least try so that we can get better, okay? So, follow along with me as I stretch and tell you about the amazing benefits that stretching has on the body, mind, and soul.
Yoga has some amazing physical benefits, like improved flexibility. Regular stretching in yoga helps lengthen muscles, increasing your range of motion and reducing stiffness. Also, it enables enhanced strength. Many yoga poses build strength by engaging and stabilizing muscles, improving overall body strength. It helps with better posture. Stretching in yoga strengthens the core and back muscles, which can correct imbalances and improve alignment. It also helps with increased circulation. Stretching encourages better blood flow, while yoga combines movement and breath work to enhance oxygen delivery throughout the body. It also helps with reduced muscle tension. Stretching releases tightness in muscles, preventing injury and easing soreness. And also improved balance and coordination. Yoga poses train balance and stability, which are particularly beneficial as you age. Now, let's go over the mental benefits that stretching in yoga has on your mind. Stretching in yoga is a stress relief. Yoga combines movement, mindfulness, and breathing exercises, which reduce cortisol levels and promote relaxation. It also helps with better sleep. Stretching and yoga calm the nervous system, helping you wind down for a more restful sleep. It also provides enhanced focus and clarity. Mindful movements train your brain to concentrate, improving your ability to stay present. Also, emotional resilience. Yoga can help regulate emotions by reducing anxiety and encouraging a positive mindset. Stretching and yoga has some great preventative health benefits as well, like injury prevention. Regular stretching keeps muscles supple, reducing the risk of strains or tears during physical activity. It also helps with pain relief. Stretching can alleviate tension, headaches, lower back pain, and chronic discomfort in joints or muscles. Also, boosted immunity. Yoga's stress relieving effects can enhance immune function by reducing inflammation in the body. Now let's talk about the holistic benefits, like mind-body connection. Yoga fosters awareness of how your body feels, helping you develop a deeper understanding of your physical and emotional needs. Also, improved energy levels. Stretching and yoga release stagnant energy and invigorate your body, leaving you refreshed and alert, as well as helping you build community and connection. Practicing yoga in a group or even online fosters a sense of belonging and shared purpose. Stretching and yoga also help with longevity and aging gracefully. Maintaining flexibility, balance, and strength helps prevent falls and injuries as you age. Yoga enhances bone density and joint health, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. So there you have it. I hope that you got a good stretch in today and learned something about the benefits of stretching and yoga, and incorporate this routine or maybe even another routine into your fitness regimen. It is important. If you do need some stylish and comfortable yoga attire, please visit our website at bodyhousefitnessandapparel.online. And don't forget to follow us on all social media platforms at Body House Fitness, and also like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know how your stretch went and how you felt afterwards. Thank you for watching, and until next time, have a wonderful day.